I am Joe's English teacher. Today, I will talk about a common way people pronounce certain words that begin with the letter S, like school and scale. I will also teach you a new word, syllable. What is a syllable? Words can be broken up into syllables. A syllable is one unit of sound that has a vowel sound in it. So let's say the word different. Different. The word different has 3 syllables. I'm sure you've noticed that many people have a certain way of pronouncing words that begin with the letter S. School, scale. Now these people might pronounce the word as is school or scale. So what happens when you pronounce words that way is you add an extra syllable that you don't need. It may be very difficult to lose that extra syllable, but if you do, it sounds much nicer and you sound cooler. I can help you become a better English speaker. Email me. Thank you for watching. See you next time.